Alright, we're going to do a video for assembling all the cabinets together. We've got them, all the individual cabinets assembled, a rack, pedestal, center cabinet, and slab. Some configurations you may have 2 or 3 of these racks lined up here. So the connectors for the racks are these cabinet connectors right here. There's 4 per rack. In this case, the connectors are going to connect the rack to the pedestal. If you have a second rack, these will connect the second rack to the first rack, and so on. Here we've got the pedestal cabinet and the center cabinet. These get connected with these bolts here. The T-nut goes in the center cabinet. The bolt goes through the back of the pedestal to connect up there. And then over here we got the connectors here for the slab leg to the center cabinet. Same deal, the T-nut goes in the hole here. The bolt goes to the slab. 4mm driver to connect those. So let's go ahead and do it. You're going to need a 4mm or a 4mm bit for the connectors to the center to the slab, or center to the pedestal and center to the slab. These cabinet connectors for the rack take a Phillips bit, so we'll go ahead and connect those up. And those go through these 4 holes on the side. And it's just a matter of getting them lined up, start the threading, and then use your driver to attach them. And so for the rack cabinets, the door faces out, the rack rails face in. Same with the pedestal, the door faces out, and the back goes toward the center cabinet. Okay, I got that connected. Go ahead and connect up the center to the slab, or center to the